The objective of this course is for you to learn forecasting models' main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 exchange-traded bond prices using our statistical software as your analysis tool. Hi, I'm Diego and I will lead you through the course. I have developed high-quality online courses and ebooks at expenses. I also have important online business development experience at fast-growing startups and blue-chip companies in several European countries. I achieve outstanding performance while attending world-class academic institutions and have a lifelong passion for expert financial data analysis. At the end of this course, you will be able to estimate simple forecasting methods such as arithmetic mean, random walk, seasonal random walk, and random walk with drift. Approximate simple moving averages and exponential smoothing methods such as Brown simple exponential smoothing, Holt linear trend, Gardner additive and Taylor multiplicative damped trend, and Holt-Winters seasonal methods. Evaluate methods forecasting accuracy through scale-dependent and scale-independent error metrics. Assess if time series is first-order trend stationary through augmented Dickey-Fuller and Phillips-Perron unit root tests. Estimate non-seasonal and seasonal Box-Jenkins autoregressive integrated moving average models. Evaluate models forecasting accuracy through Akaike, corrected Akaike, and Schwarz Bayesian information loss criteria. Assess model residuals or forecasting errors white noise requirement through the Ljung-Box lagged autocorrelation test. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate at any knowledge level who wants to learn about forecasting models using our statistical software, an academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in data science, applied statistics, operation research, economics, econometrics, or quantitative finance, a business or financial data scientist who desires to apply this knowledge in sales and financial forecasting, inventory optimization, demand and operations planning, or cash flow management.